Namaste, pure divine souls. Welcome to Pure Mindfulness. In this video, I will tell you one small story. We all face problems in our lives. Sometimes we feel this problem have no solution. We are lost our hopes. We don't know what to do, how to solve this problem, how to handle this situation. This story will help you how to think creatively, how to solve any problem without any tension. This story starts in a family. The middle class family. One person have 4 boys. The man equally loved his 4 sons. They are talented and educated. When the man was old, he is in his dying bed. After the man was died, the lawyer called his 4 sons. They all arrived lawyer's office. Then lawyer read father's will. It's weird. They said to lawyer, my father gave us money, but you said our father will is one small packet of herbs. The sons are confused. Why their father give some herbs, random herbs? They don't understand the situation. They are expecting something valuable, but they get some herbs. They don't know the herbs' names and their benefits. The 4 sons are confused. The lawyer gave him 4 boxes. Every son get 1 box of herbs. When they reach their homes, they are disappointed. But the last son was not disappointed. They trust, the last son trust his father. The last son think, my father loves me a lot. It must be a valuable herb. Otherwise, my father was not giving this after his death. First 3 sons are think this is a useless herb. They are throw it in a dustbin or garbage. But the last son believed his father. My father loves me a lot. Then he start to know what is the specialty in this herb. He researched a lot. After 1 year of research, the son find it's a valuable traditional herb. This herb have so many health benefits. Then he used that herb daily and find where this herb grows. When he reached the area of growing this herb, he picked the herb, buy the herb to the owners, then sell it in a market. The herb gives so many health benefits and in a good cost. People are interested to buy the herb to improve their health. After few years, after 2 to 3 years, he will become a successful entrepreneur, successful businessman. In other hand, his 3 brothers living in the same conditions. But this last son, now a millionaire, he living happy. What is the difference between the sons? The first 3 sons are think this is a useless herb, but the last son believe his father, believe his father's love, trust the father and think differently and see the situation in the different angle. We all face problems in our lives. Every successful person, successful male, female, they have struggles in their life. We see only their success, but we are not seeing their failures. Every successful person must face hard failures, but they think differently. In here, they trust the God. They always trust God love me. This problem give me the strength. God always gives me the best. That's why always good people have so many failures, struggles in their lives. Whenever you feel I am stuck in my life, I don't know what to do now, then think differently and trust the God. When you are trust the God full-heartedly, God give you the opportunities. God give you the strength to overcome any problem in your life. In this story, tell us the moral is you must trust the God. God have plans and think differently. Don't think negatively. Positive thinking change your life beautifully, successfully. Whenever you feel sad, failure, don't worry. Just trust the God and think differently. Whenever you face any problem, just take one piece of paper and pen, then write what are the possibilities to overcome or solve this problem. Once you solve this problem, once you overcome this struggle, the gift, the success ready to reach you. Just remember this. Always, you are in a negative situation, don't think negatively. Just think positively. What are the opportunities? What are the ways? At least 1%, just try it. You definitely succeed because God will always help you. Meditate daily. Daily meditation help you to understand yourself and help you to connect to the God. This is very important. If you have any doubts about meditation and mindfulness, let me know in the comment section, and I will give you some meditation related videos links in the description. Thank you for watching. Namaste.